The mukti. Mukti means no more material body. That is called mukti. We are now conditioned by this material body. The material world, we are changing one body after another, but there is no mukti, there is no liberation. Mukti is simply by changing body, we are not mukta. So means we need to change this body not to accept any more material body, but to remain in our own spiritual body. It's like if you are diseased, you are suffering from fever, so when there is no more fever, but you remain in your original healthy body. That is called mukti. It is not that mukti means to become formless. No, the same example. You are suffering from fever, to become free from fever does not mean that you become formless. Why I shall become formless? My form is there, but my form is no more disturbed by the fever. Fever is condition. That is called mukta. Roga mukta. Free from disease. That is called mukta. Kalevara. Just like the snake, these sometimes give up the outer covering of the body. Have you seen? But he remains in the body. He remains in the body. But the extra covering which he had grown, that is also grown. Once he gives up, everything, every education is there in the nature study. We can see the snake give up the covering, but he remains in his form. Similarly, we in Muktu Kalevaram, when this extra, just like this dress, this is covering. I can give it up, but I remain in my original body. Similarly, mukti means I have got my original body already. It is covered by this material coating. So when there is no more material coating, that is gone. That can be achieved when you go to Krishna, back to home, back to Godhead. At that time you do not become formless. Form remains. As I am individual form, similarly, when I go to Krishna, Krishna has also his individual form. I have also my individual form. Nitya Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam. He is the chief of all living entities. So, that is called mukti. So that mukti you can have if you can remember Krishna at the time of your death. So this is possible. So if you have practiced to think of Krishna always, naturally, at the time of death, at the time of end of this body, if we are so fortunate to think of Krishna, his form, then we become materially free. No more this. This is Krishna consciousness. Practice.